Ever wondered if you could just conjure up cash and dive headfirst into the thrilling world of trading? Imagine testing out those bold strategies, those gut feelings, without risking a single real naira. Well, you're in the right place because today we're diving into the fascinating realm of virtual currency on TradingView. Now, for those unfamiliar, TradingView is a powerhouse platform for traders and investors. It's where charts come alive, technical analysis tools abound, and a vibrant community shares ideas. But what if you're just starting out, or you've got a wild new trading system brewing in your mind and you're not quite ready to bet the farm? That's where the magic of paper trading steps in. Think of paper trading as your personal sandbox for the financial markets. It allows you to simulate real-world trading scenarios using virtual funds. You get to experience the highs and lows, the wins and the losses, all without the emotional roller coaster and financial implications of using your hard-earned money. It's like a flight simulator for aspiring pilots, but instead of navigating the skies, you're navigating the sometimes turbulent waters of the stock market, forex, crypto, and more. So, can you use this fake money on TradingView? Absolutely. In fact, TradingView has a fantastic built-in paper trading feature that's incredibly user-friendly and powerful. It's seamlessly integrated into the platform, meaning you don't need to download any extra software or jump through hoops to get started. Typically, when you sign up for a TradingView account, you'll find a paper trading account readily available. It often comes preloaded with a substantial amount of virtual currency, think anywhere from $10,000 to $100,000 or even more in demo funds. This virtual capital acts as your playground. You can use it to place buy and sell orders, experiment with different order types, like market orders, limit orders, stop-loss orders, and track your portfolio performance, all in real-time market conditions. The beauty of TradingView's paper trading lies in its realism. The price feeds you see are the same live prices that real traders are working with. This means you're getting a genuine feel for market volatility, price fluctuations, and the speed at which things can change. It's an invaluable tool for understanding how different assets behave and how your strategies hold up under pressure. Furthermore, paper trading on TradingView allows you to backtest your ideas in a forward-testing environment. While backtesting uses historical data to see how a strategy would have performed, paper trading lets you see how it performs in real time, going forward. This can reveal crucial insights into the practical application of your trading rules and help you identify any potential weaknesses or areas for improvement. You can also connect your paper trading account to TradingView's charting tools, allowing you to apply all the technical indicators, drawing tools, and analysis techniques you would use with a live account. This holistic approach ensures that your practice environment closely mirrors the actual trading experience. Whether you're a complete novice trying to understand the basics of placing a trade, or an experienced trader looking to refine a new strategy without risking capital, TradingView's paper trading feature is an indispensable asset. It provides a safe and educational space to learn, experiment, and build confidence before you decide to put real money on the line. It's about making mistakes with virtual funds so you can avoid costly errors with your actual capital. It's about understanding the nuances of the market, one simulated trade at a time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.